Okay, pull it up fast. Balloon fight! ittiBittiMi and Toyz. Do you guys like your new Batmobile?
Yes!
Well, guess what?
Huh?
I have something else.
Wow! Wow!
We got some balloons. You want to fill it up and play?
Yes!
Okay, let's go. Whoa! They're huge! Look! What do you guys want to do with these balloons?
Blow it!
You know what we should do?
Yeah.
We should throw it at the bad guys.
Yeah.
Like Joker, Bane, and...
Penguin!
Penguin? Yes, we should throw it at him too.
Let's get them!
Okay, let's see who can get Joker, Bane, and Penguin.
Okay.
Whenever you guys are ready. Whoa! Go get another one.
I want to do it.
Go, throw it hard.
Get another one. It's way bad.
Who are you gonna throw it at?
A Joker.
Joker, okay, go. Oh, nice throw. Lucas, do you think you can get Robin?
Yep.
Go for it. You totally missed.
I go get Robin again. I go get. I can get Robin.
1, 2, 3, throw.
Smash the house. My turn.
Go. You're aiming too high. Okay, go get another one. I'm gonna try to get Joker. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was awesome!
Yay! I got this penguin.
Okay, put one up for Daddy.
Okay.
Do you want to have a balloon fight?
Yeah!
Okay.
I got you, Ryan. I got you, Lucas.
Ah, I got you.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're not gonna throw it?
I just squeeze it.
We only got 2 more left. There's no more? Oh no. You want the purple one? Okay, let's fill up the purple one too. Turn it slowly.
Wow. Okay.
Not yet, just keep it going.
Let's see, get it bigger. Bigger.
It's getting there. No, it's not big enough yet. We want lots of water inside. Okay, it's good. Okay, pull it up fast. Balloon fight! Got you! Got you! Get daddy, get daddy!
Wow! Hey, stop!
We're done! We're done! That's it! Did you guys have fun today?
Yes.
So until next time!
Bye. Daddy.
What do you have there today?
A giant egg and egg. I can get you, Piggy.
Ready?